Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Chevy Blazer 4x4. It's not a new Blazer, it's definitely from 80s I guess, somewhere around that. But it's got a nice paint scheme on it, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Blazer out of its box. And first thing you will notice is this is not a standard truck. It's been lifted and modified. It's got big wheels. I like the paint theme on it. Kind of gives it, off-road rally kind of vibe. Sponsor names on this side. This blue-red paint theme looks good. It's a two-door truck kind of configuration, the older SUV. So that's why you will see it's through the big window. Again, in the back it's open. So let's start from the front. Up front, you can see the tail lamp and the bumper and everything. Sorry, my bad. The headlamp, the bumper and everything, but none of them are detailed. No mirrors. You can see the windshield wipers though. On the hood, you've got the number 404 Chevy badge and VF Goodrich sponsor name. You can also see some spotlights on the top, and I don't know if those are tools. They look like different kind of tools up there. So you've got that on the roof, a roof carrier. Coming to the driver's side, again the lifter stands there. Got the different sponsor names: Hotwheels, VF Goodrich, Metal, Chevy Wilston. This slide shape looks like those rain visor kind of thing which you put over it, so I'm thinking it's a rally kind of truck maybe. Somebody modified it to go rally or racing. Big window on the side, as you can see. Let's go to the rear. So there's slight detail on the tail lamps where you can see on the sides the red paint and the orange showing the headlamp and the tail lamp and the turn indicator. Chevy on the rear gate. I think this is split gate kind of configuration. And there is stuff inside. Instead of seat, there is more stuff. So I think it's kind of a modified rally going off-road going car. SUV, not the car, SUV. This is how it looks from the bottom. And it has two numbers written here, 1983 and 2015. Does that mean it was licensed twice by Hot Wheels? If you know, well, if you know that, if it's that, then just, or if it's something else, just comment in the video or on the page and let me know what that is. So overall, I think it's a decent casting. Definitely needs some detail added to it, but overall I think it looks alright and will go well with all the other big off-roaders from Hot Wheels. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.